Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that's sure to elevate your cooking experience, the commercial pressure cooker, a 15-liter electric pressure pot designed for those who need efficiency and capacity in their kitchen. We found this impressive pressure cooker online and have included a link in the description for you to check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's explore what makes this product stand out. This large pressure cooker boasts a commercial-grade capacity of 15 liters, or 15.8 quarts, making it perfect for restaurants, catering services, and large family gatherings. With its powerful 1700W motor, this cooker can prepare meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. Whether you're whipping up soups, stews, rice, beans, or even meats, this electric pressure cooker easily handles large batches, making it an ideal choice for hotel kitchens, school cafeterias, or meal prepping for busy families. One of the standout features of this pressure cooker is its versatility. It offers 8-in-1 cooking functionality, equipped with 5 preset healthy recipes, 2 assisted cooking options, and a customizable pressure setting. This means you can cook porridge, rice, meat, soup, or beans at the touch of a button. The assisted cooking functions allow you to set a preset time or use the lid open heating feature, while the pressure setting lets you choose between low and medium-high pressure to achieve your desired meat texture. Constructed with high-quality food-grade materials, the inner pot is made from a multi-layer aluminum alloy that ensures excellent heat conduction and durability. The non-stick coating makes for easy cleaning, and the stainless steel shell is built to endure the demands of a commercial kitchen environment. Another excellent feature is the upgraded 24-hour delay timer. This allows you to prep your ingredients in the morning and come home to a hot, ready meal. Simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and let the electric pressure cooker do the rest. This is perfect for busy professionals and families who want to enjoy homemade meals without the time commitment. Safety is also a top priority with this cooker, as it includes 12 built-in safety features. These include overheat protection, overcurrent protection, overvoltage protection, automatic pressure relief, and a safety locking lid, ensuring that you can cook with peace of mind. In summary, the commercial pressure cooker is an excellent investment for anyone who regularly cooks for large groups, whether you're in a commercial kitchen or simply trying to make family meals easier. Its functionality, capacity, safety features, and ease of use make it a strong contender for anyone looking to upgrade their cooking appliances. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.